Yes. Hello students. Today we learned about class 7th chapter 1, that is integer. Before we start the integers, we first study about the natural numbers. The counting numbers is starting from 1 onwards. 1 onwards are called natural numbers. It means the smallest natural number is 1 and the greatest natural number is infinite. Largest number we cannot find out. So it means it is not defined. So we can say that greatest natural number is infinite. Infinite. Okay. Now, whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? If we include 0 into the natural numbers, then these numbers are becomes whole numbers. If we include 0, then counting numbers included 0 are 0, 1, 2, 3, test. These are the. So it means the smallest whole number is 0 and greatest whole number is infinite, that is not defined. Again I will repeat, natural numbers are the counting numbers starting with 1 onwards, and whole numbers are counting numbers starting with 0 and onwards. Then the next category of the number system is integers. Integers means all numbers having negative or positive sign are called integers. If we put negative or positive sign on the whole numbers, then they becomes integers, like 0 at the middle and 1, 2, 3, 4, test. These are the positive integers, and like these are the negative integers. These are the negative integers and these are the positive integers. 0 is always located at the midpoint of the number system. Numbers integers में 0 मिड पॉइंट की तरह से वर्क करती है. जितने नंबर 0 से आगे हैं, the same numbers will having the negative sign before the 0. These are the integers. Now I explain some properties regarding with integers. How can we add, how can we subtract, how can we multiply, or how can we divide the integers. First property is called closure property. Closure property. Closure property means if we add two integers, then answer will also an integer. If we add any two integers, then answer is also an integer. It means -2 and +1, that is equal to -1, that is integer. It means 1 + 1, that is 2. So these are the integers. The second property is commutative property. Commutative property. According to this property, if we change the order of the number, if we change the order of the integers, then their answer will also remain same. These properties are applicable only for addition and multiplication. It means a plus b, that is always equal to b plus a. It means 2 plus 3, or that is equal to 3 plus 2. If we change the order, of the integers, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, but their answer will be same. There is no change. The next one is associative properties. In third property is, if the number of integers are more than 2, there are 3, 4, then we make the pairs. So this is associative property. Associative property. According to this, a plus b plus c is always equal to a plus b plus c. If we change the pair, of the number, then their answer remains same. First we add a plus b, and then answer should add it to c. And here first we add b plus c, and then answer added to a, but the answer remains same. Let's see with the help of one example. It means 2 plus 3 plus 4, and here is 2 plus 3 plus 4. So check it. 2 plus 3, 5, and 5 plus 4, 9. Here 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 2, 9. So this is called associative property. If we change the pair in order, then their answer remains same. Now some important patterns, or some important criteria to add addition of integers. How can we add? In addition of integers, like -3 plus -2, -3 and plus -2. So first we check that the sign of the integers are same. If sign of the integer is same, then take this sign common. Now the numbers are 3 plus 2. So it becomes -5. It becomes -5. This is okay. Again I will explain you. First we check the sign of the integers. If these two signs are same and they are in addition, so we take this sign common, and then number should be added. So it becomes -5. With another example, if the one number is 5 minus 5 plus 2. Now these have the opposite signs. These have opposite sign. In case of opposite sign, we check which integer has the larger number. This is the -5. So put the sign of the larger number, 5, and then in bracket you can subtract the number. So this is -3. Always without sign, check the value, which integer has the larger value. Now the greater number sign, take the common, and the both integer should be subtracted. So these are the addition patterns of the number. So you can add the integers by taking two at a time. Now do some questions for your practice. Do the questions and -3 plus 2. This is the questions for assignment work. Assignment. Second, 2 plus -5. Third is 5 plus 2 plus -3. Question number 4, -2 plus -7 plus -1. Question number 5, 4 plus -3 plus -2. So solve these 5 questions for the assignment. Then we will start with the subtraction of integers.